Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope all of you are fine, safe, and healthy. I'm your teacher, Mahba Nasir, from Fizari Intro College, Manhas, teaching maths to grade 3. So today we'll study about addition. Addition is today's topic. Now, first of all, what is addition? Finding the total of two or more numbers is called addition. Means we are adding two numbers, means we are finding sum or we are finding the total of two or more numbers. All these words like sum, total, add, altogether, they all tell us that we are doing addition. This in front of you is the symbol of addition. Whenever you see any of these words like sum, add, altogether, total, it means you will have to do the addition. You have been doing addition in your previous classes also, but now you will be doing addition of 4-digit numbers. As you all know, 4-digit numbers have the highest place value of thousands, right? But before starting addition of bigger numbers like of 4-digit numbers, you need to remember some things. First of all, it's better to write the place values first because ones must be written in ones column, tens will be written in tens column, hundreds in hundreds column, and thousands in thousands column. So the question is, why should we write the place values and why ones must be written in ones column and tens in tens column? This is because ones are added in ones, ones of first number will be added in ones of second number, tens place digit of first number will be added in tens place digit of second number. Similarly, hundreds will be added in hundreds and thousands will be added in thousands. So it's better to write ones above each other, tens, hundreds, and thousands in the same way. Let's start addition of two numbers. We have two 4-digit numbers here. For example, 2,314 and 1,542. These two numbers are to be added. The symbol in between them is telling us that we have to do the addition. Okay, what was the first thing that I told you to do? It's better to write the place values at the top. Okay, there are 4-digit numbers, so we have written the place values up to 1,000, ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Now, the first number, the number before the addition symbol is always written at the top, whether you are doing addition or subtraction or multiplication, etc., whatever. The first number will be written at the top, but we will not start from the thousands digit. We will start from the ones digit. It's better to start from the ones digit. Now 4 is at ones place, so at ones place we'll write 4. 1 at tens place means at tens place we'll write 1. This 3 is at hundreds place, so we'll write it in hundreds place, and this 2 is at thousands place, so it will go over here. Next, the second number will be written below the first number, under the first number, starting once again from ones. So this 2 of the second number, 1,542, is at ones place, so it will be written at ones place. 4 at tens place will be written at tens place. This 5 is at hundreds place, so it will go under hundreds column, and this 1 is at thousands place, so it will go under thousands column. Now what we need to do is, what's the symbol between them? What's the operation that we need to do on these numbers? That is addition, right? Now, what will be the step 1? Our first step will be add the ones. You always start adding the numbers from ones. Add the ones together. 4 and 2 will be added together, and 4 and 2 is 6. So we'll write 6 under the both of these numbers in the ones column. So 6 is written here, right? Now next step is add the tens. In the tens column we have 1 and 4. Add them. 1 plus 4 is 5, and 5 is written in tens column. Coming to hundreds column, we have 3 and 5 in hundreds column. Add them together, add the hundreds, add them together, and write it in the hundreds column. Lastly, we will add the thousands, right? Now, add the thousands. 2 plus 1 is 3. So, the sum of the numbers 2314 and 1542 is right here in front of us. That is 3856. Just now we have added two 4-digit numbers without regrouping. Now what is actually regrouping? You will learn it from the next example. If ones, tens and hundreds add up to a 2-digit number, means their sum exceeds 9, it's 10 or more than 10, then the digit at tens place, the digit at the tens place of the sum of 2-digit number is carried towards left. If the sum of ones is more than 10, then it will give carry to tens. Tens will give carry to hundreds, and hundreds will give carry to thousands. And the process goes on for the higher numbers also. Let's have an example now. Now this is the example of regrouping when we are going to convert ones. Means the sum of ones is going to exceed 9 or is going to be a 2-digit number. So we have two numbers, 6413 and 1248. Better write the place values at the top, right? So we've written the place values. We are dealing with 4-digit numbers, so we have written the place values up to thousands. Okay, next step. Write the numbers. The number before the plus symbol, addition symbol is written at the top. But we always start writing from the ones. This 3 at ones place will be written at ones place. This 1 at tens place will go in tens column. 4 at hundreds place will go in hundreds column. And 6 at thousands place will go in thousands column. Now the second number 1248 will be written under it. Now this is the horizontal form of writing a sum, and this is a vertical form when we are writing numbers over each other, right? So the second number will be written under the first number, starting from ones obviously. 8 at ones place will go in ones column. 4 at tens place will go in tens column. 2 at hundreds place will go in hundreds column, and 1 at thousands place will go in thousands column. Add them together. For that, follow the steps. The first step is add the ones. 3 plus 8 or 8 plus 3, whatever you want to say. Now it is 11. It is a 2-digit number. Now we cannot write 2 digits in one column. You must write 1 digit. Now which digit it would be? It has to be the ones digit of the sum. Whatever you have the sum, the ones digit of sum will go in the ones column under the digits which you are adding, and the tens digit of the sum will go carry towards left. Now as tens is at the left of ones, so it will give carry to tens. Had it been tens, though, it will be giving carry to 100, or if it's 100, it will be giving carry to thousands. That you will learn in tomorrow's lesson. But right now we are converting ones only. So this one, which was at ones place of the sum, was written under in the ones column, and this one that was at the tens place of sum was given carry to the tens column. Right? Now next step is add the tens. Now we have 1 and 4 in the tens. We are going to add it, but wait, what about this carry? This carry will also be added in the tens, and it will be 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. So 6 in tens column. Next step is the same. Add the hundreds. 4 plus 2 is 6 again. And last step is add the thousands. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 6413 plus 1248 gives us the sum of 7,661. This is called regrouping method, when the tens was regrouped by the tens column, right? So guys, today we studied about number operations, and in number operations we did addition without regrouping, and with in regrouping we converted ones. Page number 41 and 42, question number 4 A to E and question number 5 A to E. Both of these questions, five parts of these questions will be done on your book, and you will be provided the solution in the evening also. Do a cross check of your answers with the answer provided by the teacher, and you will be good to go. And don't forget to write today's date and day at the top of the page, right? Okay, good. In our next lesson, we will do addition of 4-digit numbers, regrouping tens and hundreds. Right? Now, in next lesson, we will be converting tens and hundreds, inshallah. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and it was helpful for you. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.